In this tutorial, we'll show you how to configure the correct caching behavior for your Callaba x CloudFront setup. Callaba delivers video via HLS. So let's talk about HLS. HLS consists of two main parts, .m3u8 files and TS files. TS files contain short clips of video and audio, the actual multimedia data divided in small chunks. Each TS file is a short segment of the content that's being streamed. M3U8 files act as playlists and specify the sequence in which TS video chunks should be played. M3U8 files do not contain actual video or audio data. Okay, now that we understand the relationship between M3U8 and TS files, let's talk about caching. Caching TS chunks is beneficial because TS files don't change once created. This helps in speeding up the streaming process and reduces load on the origin server. On the other hand, M3U8 files change frequently as new .ts files are generated and added. This is why M3U8 should not be cached for too long, to ensure that viewers receive the most current playlist and content. Hopefully, this short explanation will help to understand our next steps, because now we're going to move to our CloudFront settings. For starters, let's take a look at what will happen if we do not set up correct caching behavior. Here is my video player with test-generated video. If you check the URL, you'll notice that we're using a CloudFront distribution. As you can see, if we don't set up caching correctly, the video soon stops playing. This issue arises because our M3U8 file is cached for too long. Let's go ahead and fix that. Open your CloudFront distribution. Navigate to Behavior tab. Here you can see your default behavior. Default behaviors do not allow to change some specific settings, so we'll have to create a new behavior. Click Create Behavior. In the Path Pattern field, type in /*.ts. Select your origin, then specify your viewer protocol policy. Keep HTTP and HTTPS setting if you are not going to attach your own domain name. Select Get Head Options Put, Post, Patch, Delete. Keep Caching Optimized selected. Under Origin Request, select All Viewer. Check your settings. Scroll down and click Create Behavior. Now select your default behavior. Click Edit. Scroll down and change Cache Policy to Caching Disabled. Click Save. By doing all this, we've created a rule for caching TS files and also disabled caching for H3U8 files. Let's go back to our video player and check if it works. As you can see, the video now plays without any problems. This tutorial is part of a bigger guide on setting up Callaba with CloudFront for live streaming and video delivery. Try Callaba for free on AWS.